Tiny House Prepper.
Hey there everybody, I'm Bill.
And I'm Elizabeth with Tiny House Prepper. And we wanted to share with you an idea that we are starting that we're excited about. People often say they really enjoy watching us cook on our YouTube channel. So we thought it'd be really neat to get recipes from all of you and for an opportunity for you to be able to share your ideas and your recipes, and we can share them all with each other. And it gives us some neat ideas, as well as you guys getting a chance to all kind of interact and share with each other about how you're cooking with it. Yeah. And we thought that would be really, really cool.
Absolutely.
Yep, we thought it'd be fun. Now, in our normal YouTube channel, we'll still be cooking stuff. You'll see us because we share the what we do for meals, and we will include Thrive in that because that's just natural for us. Right. But we want a special place on this Facebook group where everybody can be sharing with each other.
Right. So the group is called Thriving Good Recipes.
Isn't that great?
And we'll put the link down below so you can see it. Now, it's open to anyone. It's open to all consultants. It's open to all customers. It's open to anyone who's just interested in what is this Thrive about and how are people using it.
That's right.
You can go there and you can see the recipes that other people are cooking. You can interact with each other and see, how it works. Now, it'll be open to anyone, but it will be a monitored channel, which means that the posts have to be approved by admin, which would be me or one of the other admin.
And that's just so that we don't have spam. And also we want to kind of keep the whole group on track for what the real purpose is, and that's to share these recipes with each other. If you are making something that's like all Thrive, if you are making like a meal in a jar, or something you can take camping, or something you give as a gift, or baby food ideas, there's all sorts of things. We'd love to hear about that. If you're making something that only has a little bit of Thrive in it, just share, how it's working out for you to use it. If you have an idea for something you think would be really good to use Thrive in, then I think that could be really great too. So we want to give an opportunity here for people to be able to share how they're cooking with it. And also, this is a good place for people to ask questions and like, how would you use this? Or how do you guys do this? Which we will answer if we can, or you guys can answer for each other too, and we'll all be learning.
Right. We have been cooking with Thrive for a long time, but I know that many of you have also been cooking with Thrive for a long time. There are probably hundreds of you just on the channel who are using Thrive on a regular basis and love it. And I know that because we get comments about that all the time. Right. And I'm sure that you've got a lot of favorite recipes that we would love to see. Yeah. We would love to expand our menu base to be able to cook more different types of foods. And many of you have the recipes that we would like to try.
Oh, absolutely. Yep. Absolutely. Yep. So tell them all the different ways they can
Yeah, if you want to just write out a text post and put it up there and put the recipe up there, you can do that. If you can take a picture and put it on there and then put the recipe below, that would be even better because everybody can see what it is that you're making. And so, take a nice pretty picture before you eat it and put it up there and put the recipe up there.
That'd be fun.
Or if you're really brave, you can do a video.
That's right. And then we can see you cooking it and maybe even see you enjoying eating some of it.
Yep.
So, yeah, that would be fun.
So, get your creative hat on.
Yep.
Start cooking. Let's share together. This will be fun.
Yeah. So please come and join us. And the information is going to be below. Thrive in Good Recipes. I think it's going to be fun. Yep. And we love you guys. And thanks for just being a part of our life.
Yep. And you have a great day. Be blessed.